so y'all already know that Shane is in the bathroom. I'm doing a loyalty test on him. I'm gonna be making him the most disgusting soup in the world, the most disgusting soup in the world, and I want to see if he's gonna give me his real honest opinion on it. So let's get it popping. Guys, y'all already know I want him to sit over there. See his reaction. Let's see what happens if I can make him sit there. So right now I'm gonna add some milk, some ketchup, vanilla, cinnamon, all type of nasty shit.
A few minutes later.
Baby, soup is ready. Hurry up. Come on.
Hold on, babe. Give me the tank cap.
Can you hurry up?
Yeah, what are we gonna watch, babe? You have to watch. Where's my tank cap?
I think you should worry about eating first.
Alright.
Can you get off my chair?
What?
Get off of my chair. My phone is there.
What's wrong with you?
Thank you. So rude.
What are you so angry for?
You sitting where my chair is at.
This is the same what Mama made last time, right?
Mm-hmm. A little bit better.
But you put cinnamon in this?
Mm-hmm. You know why?
I smell it. But who put cinnamon in the soup though? I don't think Mama put cinnamon in the soup, baby.
I put cinnamon in the soup. That's how we do it.
Nah, we don't do it in Jamaica like that. We don't put cinnamon in the soup.
Who the?
I'm sorry. I'm not saying like I never said cinnamon in soup before. Cinnamon usually go in porridge, not in soup.
People cook with cinnamon.
Okay. I'm gonna respect your culture, but we don't do like that.
What happened?
No, babe. I can't eat that. I can't eat that, babe.
What the hell's going on? Is it that serious? Hello?
Nah, babe, I can't eat that. I can't eat that shit. That shit tastes nasty. I can't eat that, man. I'm sorry, I can't eat that.
Why? Does it taste that bad?
Yeah, it really tastes bad. That's the nastiest thing I ever eat. I can't eat that. I'm sorry, babe. I don't want it. I don't want it. I'm hungry, bro. You know what? Pass me the other one. Let me try and taste it up. Pass me the other one sauce, and then garlic sauce. And then Maggie. If you got Maggie up there.
There's no Maggie.
I have a cocktail soup up there. There's no soup seasoning? Nah, it's seen a lot more seasoning, babe. There's something awful about this. There's something awful about this. For real. Something awful about this, for real.
Really? What are you doing? You wasted my seasoning.
It's something awful about this, babe. I meant to taste. There's something off. This how they make it work? Nah, I'm trying to make it Jamaican right now. I need a Maggi soup. There's no Maggi soup here? Pass that over. Pass that over, babe. There's something awful, but I'm trying to fix it. I don't like the taste. I want a Jamaican taste soup. I can't. Nah, man, I don't want it. I'm sorry. Yeah. You drink it.
No.
Why? Why you looking at that?
That's for you.
Why you say nah?
No,
you say
no.
you drink it?
No.
So why you looking at that?
Because I ate that already. You should be enjoying my soup.
I'm
saying
sorry,
that's
babe.
for
Listen,
me.
I'm not disrespecting you. That I don't want it. I'm sorry. That don't taste good, babe. I don't like it. That's something I like. I like the way your mom made it, but I don't like that. There's something awful about it. That tastes bad. That tastes bad.
Whatever. You better remember that,
Got
though.
something sweet in it. If that was sweet taste, nah, that's just bad. I can't. I'm sorry.
Really? Is it that bad?
Yeah, I gotta watch some. I'm hungry. Watch some. I can't eat that, babe. I'm really sorry.
Is it really that
That's
bad?
nasty. That's really nasty. I can't. I'm sorry, babe.
Nasty?
That's disgusting. I don't think nobody will eat that. You eat it. Try it.
I'm not eating
Try
that.
I don't think nobody in that right mind will eat that shit. That shit tastes nasty.
It's a prank.
Huh?
It's a prank.
It's a prank?
Yeah. It's just an experiment to see if you would tell me the truth about my food being
I am gonna tell you the truth. That shit was nasty for real, babe. Nasty. I don't never eat that. You crazy? I can't eat that.
No, don't turn this on. I'm sitting here. I'll turn it on in a few.
Yeah, bottom some egg, please. Thank you. Nah, bro, that's nasty. That shit took my stomach.
How do you feel?
I feel like I'm gonna throw up. Ah, shit was nasty. Don't do that. Why you put it in there? Why you put it in there? Huh?
A whole bunch of seasoning.
Nah, babe, don't do that, please. Don't put my food like that, man. Seriously. Shit was nasty, for real. Don't do that, babe. Seriously. I tell you, don't do the pranking with no food or none of that, please.
Guys, tell me what you think about this. Like, share, subscribe. Oh my God. Got the big four. How do you feel, babe? But he was blunt and it was hilarious, guys. At least I thought it was. Tell me what you guys think about it. How was the soup, baby?
That's disgusting, babe.
Tell me how was the soup?
Don't do that again, man. Seriously. That's disgusting.
Wasn't it great?
She made me want to throw up. You should taste it. Taste it.
No thanks.
Come for it.
That is hilarious. So, guys, like, share, subscribe. Tell me what you guys think about this little experiment slash prank, because you know I called it an experiment slash prank. Love you guys. Like, share, subscribe.